everyone.
Hello.
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Latrice.
And I'm Janisha.
And we're us, Unique Styles.
Well, thanks for tuning in to our channel, and today we're coming at you with a video on how to make black stand out.
All right, so we're gonna give some tips. We're gonna drop some information, and it's not even a lot. It's just 3 tips to do to make your black stand out.
Number 1, I would say accessories.
Yes.
I have a lot on right now. We have to wear black and gold today. So like necklaces,
yes,
hair pieces, shoes. You can make put a shoe on and make the color pop, or you could just do all black and just do like a sparkle shoe, belts, with your makeup, lipstick. You have on all black and wear like red lipstick or burgundy lipstick just to make it pop out. All of them are accessories to be able to make your black stand out.
Yes, and another way to make your black stand out is mix the print. Even though it's all black, your black can have print. For example, mine's lace, and so you can see the detail of the shirt with the black, but it's still black. And my skirt is leather. Later we'll show you all the skirt so you can get a close up, and it has holes. So that's mixing the prints of the same color. It makes it stand out even more. You get to see, the details in black.
Mixed material, like you have your cotton, polyester, silks, leather, all of that. If you was to put on, let's say, leather pants, and then a silk shirt, and then you could put on a blazer. All of them are different materials, but with that same color black, it will make your outfit stand out.
Yes. All right, guys, so that's our 3 tips that we promised you. All right, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell.
Yes, that notification bell.
All right, we'll see ya.
Thanks
Bye.
for tuning in. With the topic, how to make black stand out. Oh God,
we just got out of church.
Girl, I Bible play.
Wait, we're gonna talk about, or see, why you do that to me?
I missed our Bible.